Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alerts YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are back with another job update, and before starting the video, if you are watching our channel for the first time, do subscribe and turn on that notification bell icon for regular job updates, and also share our channel with your friends. So let's get started. Friends, Sunrise International is hiring for the following position. So let us have a look at each of the following. Here you can see the detailed brochure. They are hiring for store in charge experience in formulation company. The qualification they are asking is BCom or BSc. 4 to 6 year experience is enough. And coming to the next position, which is maintenance for machine maintenance, they require BTech or Diploma in mechanical candidates with 4 to 5 years experience. And the final opening, which is microbiologist with MSc BPharm or M.Pharm as a qualification with 1 to 3 years experience. So these are the openings from this company. Let us have a details about the interview venue, etc. in detail. Friends, as it is a walk-in interview, let us see some details. On date of interview is 24th January 2022, and they have also mentioned the timings are from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Those who are interested can walk in with the updated CV, last 3 months pay slips, original degree, 10th class certificate. And the candidates who are unable to walk in may send their CVs to the HR of sunriseinternational.com labs.com. So if you are unable to attend, you can send your resume to the mail ID which is already provided in the description of the video. Note that only original documents are required at the time of interview. And for further details, if you have any doubts regarding the job opening, you can contact the number given here. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, keep supporting us and subscribe.